This is my solution to Paul's Raspberry Pi lesson number 25, reading the humidity and temperature values from the DHT-11 sensor. My setup is fairly simple, but I just need to point out that my live rail at the top is 5 volts and my live rail at the bottom is 3.3 volts. Now, if you want to, an easier way to install DHT-11 is in Thonny. If you go over to Tools and Manage Packages and you put in DHT-11, oh, you have to move that over, otherwise you can't see what I'm doing. Search on Pi, and there you have it. There's DHT-11, or there's the Adafruit DHT, which I've heard is a bit slower, but it does have the advantage that it has a read-retry function, so you don't have to put in your own loop for whether you have valid input. But it didn't seem to want to work for me. It kept thinking I was running on a BeagleBone Black. So you just click on DHT-11. It said, I've already installed it, but it will say install down there if you haven't already, so I'll just close that. Right, this is my program, all fairly simple, and the only vaguely interesting thing is I only bother to print out the readings if they're actually required. So the first time through, or if the temperature or the humidity has changed. Right, we will run it. Right, temperature's 22.9, and it displays it in centigrade, Fahrenheit and Kelvin. Right, we'll see if we can get it to change a bit. Right, the humidity is going up, but the temperature isn't. I'll try and put my the temperature's going up as well. Right, all fairly basic and standard. So Control C out. Now this is the other program that is displaying on an LCD display, which I handily have over here. There, I will hold it, and also there's a button which will change the display from being in centigrade to Fahrenheit to Kelvin. Right, here we go. Run the program. Oh, I haven't shown you all the program. I'm using an event detect for when you press the button, and that is all kind of the same, all very boring. Right, run the program. Right, got to get that at the right angle, otherwise you can't see it. Aha, parfait, but you can't see anything else, but who cares. Right, I will now press the button, and as if by magic it changes to Fahrenheit and then Kelvin, and then I pressed it twice. Fahrenheit, Kelvin, Kelvin, Fahrenheit. Centigrade. I wasn't pressing the button properly. Right, that's centigrade, Fahrenheit, Kelvin. And to prove that it is me pressing the button, there's the button. And Control C out.